Welcome back. Got a new mission for you though. Terrence Splinter Cell been spotted planting some bombs around. We need you to go and take them out. I got full confidence in you, Agent Garfield. But be careful. The fate of the world rests in your paws.
Meow.
I'm here, but I don't see the bomb. All I see are a bunch of anchovies.
Don't you get it? The anchovies are the bomb. They've been fermenting there for over a year, and now they built up enough negative pressure that they can blow a hole through the capital the size of Wisconsin.
Oh my god.
Congratulations on another job well done, Agent Garfield. Now let's turn it up!
Meow.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
You make really good lasagna, Dad.
Thanks, son.
It's a bit dry though. I'm gonna need some relish.
Sometimes I just don't get that boy's taste in food.
You've got to be kidding me. I'd like to report a missing cat. My dad.
Does he have a tracking chip?
Yeah.
Let me try to locate him. I got a match. He's located at an old industrial complex on Blue Boulevard.
Curse those sneaky wojackers!
Man, can't wait to commit some more acts of terrorism.
This is juicy. I'm glad I bugged their base when they weren't looking.
Let's get serious, Odie. What's our plan looking like?
2 trains, 1 catnip factory. You do the math. It'll be destruction the likes of which this planet has never seen.
Then we strike today.
Ooh, delightfully devilish.
Indubitably.
Wait, Dad owns a catnip factory. They must be planning to attack it.
Agent Garfield, they hit the Octagon, Agent Garfield. Quick, I've got the President live via satellite.
Agent Garfield, America is depending on you. Stop those trains.
Oh my god. Again. I've got to get to the rail yard. I've got to switch those tracks. Quick! That should do it.
You did it again, Agent Garfield. Congratulations. Now I think we have someone you really might want to see.
Dad!
Son! Well, I'm back in one piece. It was terrible. They had me tied up. They gave me a bath. They didn't even clean my litter box.
They won't be coming back to hurt you now. But I have one question. What did those wojackers want with you in the first place?
Well, you see, I messed up some of their buddies overseas back during the war. So I guess they wanted revenge.
Ugh, I hate Mondays.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And
they stay there, and they stay there, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.